Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL500. We're doing a starter on it. So we got it up in the air. It's a new starter. Part number. Let's get it. Remove that negative battery terminal before we start. Alright, we up in the air. Gotta get up on here, get this skid plate off. We got these 8mm bolts holding it in. So it's 4 bolts holding that skid plate in. That's the front portion. Might need to take off that rear skid plate as well, because we got to get back here to remove the exhaust bolts. It's been sitting up for a while, man. Got spider webs and everything up in it. Got a leak. It's got about 6 of those 8 mils, 2 in the rear. And that's the other piece right there. It's broke off. Alright, so that starter should be on the passenger side. Alright, so this exhaust. Gotta get those 2 bolts out. And that's the other one right there. Let's spray some WD-40 on it. And that's the starter right there. Alright, once we break those bolts loose on both sides, need the other one to drop so we can make some play. That's what I got going on. Alright, so I use a swivel and a 13mm short socket on that one right there. That's on the inside, and on the outside I was able to just go in with the extension and a deep socket 13. And so it was the same thing on the driver's side. You can see how much play we got. Now we got some play for the starter. Work on these bolts. So that's what I end up doing. I got a little stubby 3/8 ratchet, short socket, 10 mil, and I had to break it free like that. It was seized on there almost. Like I felt like it was gonna break. The wire just was twisting, but it finally stopped and it broke free. So now they got this cap on here. I don't know why, but it's there. Let's see what I need to do to get it off. Alright, so we got that off. That's pretty much to protect that bolt from touching and arcing. Pop it off with a flat head. A long one. This long. I don't know how long it is, but it's pretty long. Alright, you can see I'm going through this area right here, right in front of the rack and pinion. Now we can get these bolts out. This is what we looking like. These 2 bolts right here, I believe. This was holding it. E14. So I broke them free. The E14. We got both of them broke loose. And now I'm gonna just use my long extension to just work my way out. And that's the two long ass bolts holding that starter in. So we're going back in reverse order. Alright, we back in there. You want to put in the signal wire first and then the power wire, so that won't be in your way when you're trying to tighten it up. Had to put that cap back on there. Alright, we back in with the bolts, exhaust bolts on both sides. Put that skid plate back up. Alright, we're gonna see what we got. See if this thing can start up. So that battery light is still on. We're gonna need to replace the auxiliary battery and get that to go away. Alright, man, that's gonna be it. Till next time. Pull up, King.